Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. #Make the Move 6522 Simone Shores Circle, the Voyager Floorplan. 7 beds, 4.5 baths, Butlers prep kitchen plus media room, 3-car garage plus golf cart bay, 12 feet elevation. Welcome to 6522 Simone Shores Circle in Hemingway Estates, Apollo Beach. This custom 2024 waterfront home by Bistro Builders offers 7 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a media room, and a spacious 3-car garage with golf cart bay and elevated storage platform. Built for strength and efficiency, the home features solid block construction on all levels, a stem wall foundation, 12-foot elevation, and cement flooring between stories. Construction includes hurricane-rated impact windows, seamless fire-rated doors, spray foam insulation, and insulated garage doors. The oversized garage features multi-layer epoxy flooring and built-in elevated storage. The extra-long driveway is finished in brick pavers, framed by tropical landscaping, and leads to a covered front entry. Inside, the home is fully equipped with a smart system controlling lighting, pool, solar, security, climate, and garage functions via smartphone or mounted iPads. Custom lighting is installed throughout soffits, windows, baseboards, and stair rails. A built-in sound system is integrated throughout the home, lanai, and garage. Entry is secured through fingerprint and facial recognition technology. The kitchen features quartz countertops, a waterfall island with seating, a gas stove with pot filler, wine fridge, high-end appliances, and two-tone European-style cabinetry with pulled-down storage. A full Butlers prep kitchen includes a second sink, refrigerator, and additional cabinetry. The open dining area leads directly to the back lanai, blending indoor and outdoor living. The first floor primary suite includes canal views, direct lanai access, and a walk-in closet with a European organization system. The ensuite bath includes dual vanities, a jetted soaking tub, and a large walk-in shower with multiple customizable rainfall heads and full floor-to-ceiling tile. A second bedroom and full bath are also on the main laywa. Upstairs, 5 additional bedrooms include custom closets, and 2 are connected by a Jack and Jill bath. A flexible bonus room offers space for a playroom, gym, or lounge or media/theater room. The balcony overlooks the water and pool, providing a cozy, breezy spot for relaxing. The heated saltwater pool and spa are surrounded by an oversized lot with fresh landscaping. The main floor living area opens up to the back covered lanai with a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, built-in grill, and wine fridge. The dock includes a 10,000 pounds covered lift and direct access to Tampa Bay. Hemingway Estates.